Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and taking care of yourself and doing your studies regularly. Today in this chapter, video number 2, we are going to start the exercise 6.2 and we will have a quick recap of exterior angle property. So the topics which we are going to cover today is recap of exterior angle property of a triangle and exercise 6.2. Now let's take the recap of exterior angle property of triangle. When the sides of a triangle are extended like this, other angles are formed. The angles inside the triangle are the interior angles. The angles that form linear pair with the interior angles are the exterior angles. Now let's find the measure of an exterior angle. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Angle ACB and angle ACD are supplementary. So, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equals to 180 degree. 45 degree plus angle ACD is equals to 180 degree. Angle ACD is equals to 180 minus 45 degree and angle ACD will be 135 degree. The measure of exterior angle is 135 degree. Now what are the opposite interior angle of angle ACD? This angle ABC and angle BAC. Add them up. Angle ABC plus angle BAC will be equals to 90 plus 45, 135 degree. What do you see? The measure of the exterior angle is equals to the sum of opposite interior angles. This is an important property that you need to remember. Now let's find the measure of exterior angle, angle CBE. So first locate angle CBE. Angle ABC and angle CBE are supplementary. So angle ABC plus angle CBE will be equals to 180 degree. 36 degree plus angle CBE is equals to 180 degree. And angle CBE will be equals to 180 degree minus 36 degree, which will be equals to 144 degree. Let's check the property. Exterior angle 144 degree, opposite interior angle 47 degree and 97 degree. 47 degree plus 97 degree is equals to 144 degree. So it is absolutely right. Now let's take the recap. An exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of the measure of its two opposite interior angles. So here the measure of exterior angle, angle 4 will be equals to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. So now I hope you have understood the exterior angle property of a triangle, and now let's start exercise 6.2 which is based on this property. The first question is find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. In this diagram we have to find the value of x, which is an exterior angle. Now you can see that angle ACD is equals to x, which is exterior angle. Angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 70 degree. Now we know that exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angle. It means angle X will be equals to angle A plus angle B, which is its interior and opposite angle. So if we add 50 plus 70, we will get the sum 120 degree. So the value of angle X is 120 degree. Now the second part of this question, it is asked find the value of unknown exterior angle x. We have to find the value of this angle x, which is exterior angle. Again the same method we will follow. Angle x is the exterior angle and its interior opposite angles are angle 65 and angle 45, which is angle A and angle C. So if we add angle A and angle C, that is 65 plus 45, we will get the sum 110 degree. So the value of exterior angle x is 110 degree. Now the third part of this question number 1 is again same. We have to find the value of exterior angle x. So exterior angle x is angle BAD, an angle which are opposite and interior for exterior angle x, that is angle B and angle C. So we know that exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angles. So if we add angle B plus angle C, that is 30 plus 40 degree, we will get the sum 70 degree. So x will be equals to 70 degree. Now the next fourth part of this question is your homework. It is also same as we have seen these 3 questions. We have to follow the same method. And question number 5 and question number 6 is also your homework. Now we'll move to question number 2 of this exercise. We have to find the value of unknown interior angle x. In previous question we have to find the exterior angle, but here we have to find the unknown interior angle. So in triangle ABC, you can see angle ACD is exterior angle, which is 115 degree. Angle A is given 50 degree and angle B is x. Now we know that exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. So we will apply the same property here also. Exterior angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B, right? Now exterior angle value is given 115, angle A value is given 50 degree and angle B that we have to find, which is x. So if 50 will go to another side, it will become minus 115 minus 50 will be equals to 65 degree. So the value of x will be 65 degree. I hope this is clear to you people. Now the second part of this question is find the value of unknown interior angle. The same thing, exterior angle is given and we have to find this interior angle x. So again we will follow the same procedure. Angle BCD is given 100 degree, which is exterior angle. Angle A is given 70 degree, which is interior angle, and another interior angle is x, which is angle B. Now we will apply the same exterior angle property. Angle BCD exterior angle will be equals to the sum of interior opposite angle, which is angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle value is 100. Angle A is 70 degree. Angle B is x. From here we can find angle x. So 70 will go to another side and it will become negative. 100 minus 70 will be equals to 30 degree. So the value of unknown angle x is 30 degree. Now the third part of this question is again we have to find exterior angle x. Now you can see this is quite different picture given. Here the another interior angle is not given, but you can see it is perpendicular and it is a symbol of 90 degrees. So it is an value of the angle B is of 90 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle DAC means this exterior angle is 125. Angle C is x, which we have to find, and angle B is 90 degree. This symbol represents 90 degree. So exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is DAC, which is equals to angle B and angle C. Angle B is given 90 degree, angle C is x. So 90 will move to another side, which will become negative. 125 degree minus 90 will be 35 degree. So the value of x will come 35 degree. I hope this question is clear to you. Now the rest of the question, that is 4th, 5th and 6th part, is your homework. So here this exercise is finished and we will start the next topic, angle sum property. and exercise 6.3 in the next video.